Join me as I dive into today's stock market update and see if I can predict which stocks will soar and which will crash. The stock market is always on the move, and today is no exception. With so much happening around the world, it's essential to stay on top of the latest developments that can affect stock prices. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what's driving the market today and what it means for investors. The current market landscape is quite challenging, with volatility being a major concern. Economic factors such as inflation, interest rates, and global events are all playing a role in shaping stock prices. We're seeing a lot of uncertainty, which can make it tough for investors to make informed decisions. To make matters worse, some of the biggest companies in the world are facing significant headwinds, which can have a ripple effect on the entire market. Another challenge facing the market is the ongoing impact of global events. From trade tensions to geopolitical conflicts, there are plenty of factors that can cause stock prices to fluctuate wildly. And let's not forget about the economic indicators that are closely watched by investors, such as GDP growth, employment rates, and consumer spending. All of these factors are closely intertwined, making it difficult to predict what will happen next. As we take a closer look at the market, it's clear that nothing is certain. Even the most experienced investors can struggle to make sense of it all. But that's why we're here, to break it down and provide some insights that can help you navigate these choppy waters. So, what are the key trends and movers that are shaping the market today? The major stock indices are always a good place to start, and today is no exception. The Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq are all seeing significant action, with some stocks making big moves. We're seeing a lot of strength in the tech sector, with companies like Apple and Microsoft leading the charge. But not everyone is faring well, with some of the biggest losers including companies like Boeing and General Electric. One of the most interesting trends we're seeing today is the rise of certain sectors, such as renewable energy and cybersecurity. These areas are attracting a lot of attention from investors, and it's easy to see why. As the world continues to evolve, these sectors are likely to play a major role in shaping the future. And within these sectors, there are some individual stocks that are standing out from the crowd. Some of the key movers today include companies like Tesla, which is seeing a lot of love from investors. The electric vehicle maker is making waves with its innovative products and bold moves. Another stock that's getting a lot of attention is Amazon, which is continuing to dominate the e-commerce space. These companies are leaders in their respective fields, and it's worth keeping an eye on them. The market is always reacting to news, and today is no exception. A significant announcement from one of the biggest companies in the world has had a major impact on stock prices. The news has sent shockwaves through the market, with many investors scrambling to adjust their portfolios. The implications of this announcement are still unfolding, but it's clear that it's going to have a lasting impact on the market. This announcement has significant implications for investors, as it could change the way we think about certain sectors. It's a reminder that the market is always full of surprises, and investors need to stay on their toes. By understanding what's happening and why, investors can make more informed decisions and adjust their strategies accordingly. In terms of what this means for the future, it's clear that this announcement is a game changer. The market will likely continue to react to this news in the coming days and weeks, and investors will be watching closely to see how it plays out. One thing is certain, this is a development that will have a lasting impact on the market. To recap, today's stock market update has been quite eventful, with plenty of action across the major indices. We've seen significant moves in certain sectors and stocks, and a major announcement that's had a lasting impact on the market. If you have any thoughts on today's market action, I'd love to hear them in the comments. And if you're looking for more insights on the market, be sure to check out our other video on the top stocks to watch in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.